Baby think that elephant was the with elephant toothpaste? No, they know what's the with elephant toothpaste. But do you imagine that they did? The toothpaste will be huge. Let's go make some elephant toothpaste. Hi guys, today we did make elephant toothpaste. In this experiment, we need hydrogen peroxide, jars, dish soap, yeast, food coloring, and water. Now I'm going to put hydrogen peroxide. Time for the food coloring. I need to use red in this jar, yellow in this jar, and blue in this jar. Now I'm going to put this stove in a jar. Now I'm going to put water and yeast. Now it's time for the reaction. I'll see you next time. Bye.